All right, so today we're going to pull back the curtain on something that's changing the game for online advertising, Meta's AI suite, Advantage Plus. We're going to see how it's not just tweaking ads anymore, but pretty much rewriting the entire rulebook for how businesses connect with all of us online.
You know that feeling, right? You're just thinking about something and then boom, an ad for that exact thing pops up on your feed. It feels a little like magic, or maybe even a little creepy, but it's not. It's the power of AI in advertising, and honestly, it's just getting started.
I mean, if you think back, it really wasn't that long ago that online advertising was just a total grind. Marketers would spend all day, every day, manually tweaking budgets, guessing who their audience was. It was a lot of guesswork. But now, compare that to today. The new way is all about AI doing the heavy lifting, automating everything, finding customers you didn't even know you were looking for, and even creating new ads all by itself. It's a massive shift. And look, this isn't some far-off, futuristic concept we're talking about. This AI-driven world, it's already here, and it's deeply woven into the platforms you and I use every single day. The scale is just huge. Just wrap your head around this for a second. Right now, as you're scrolling through Instagram, 50% of the content you see, so the posts, the reels, the stories, all of it, is being recommended to you by an AI. And that very same powerful technology is what's now fueling this next generation of ads. So with all this change, how is a business supposed to keep up? It's almost impossible without some help. They kind of need an AI co-pilot, right? Well, that's exactly what Meta designed Advantage Plus to be.
When you boil it all down, Advantage Plus is basically a whole toolkit that uses AI to handle the really complicated stuff. You know, the endless calculations for who to target and how much to bid. This frees up marketers to do what we humans are actually good at, coming up with the big ideas and the creative vision.
And the results? Well, they really speak for themselves. For businesses that are focused on selling products directly, using the full Advantage Plus suite leads to a 9% improvement in how much it costs to get a new customer.
Now, if you're an app developer trying to get more downloads, that translates to a 7% drop in the cost for every new install.
And for companies just trying to find new potential customers, it drives a 10% lower cost for each qualified lead. So, what's the takeaway here? It's pretty simple. You get better results for the same amount of money.
So how does this thing actually work? Well, Advantage Plus isn't just a single one-size-fits-all button. Meta has actually broken it down into two main ways you can use it, which gives businesses a lot of flexibility. So let's pop the hood and take a look at this toolkit. You can think of it like this. You've got two main choices. You can go all in with a fully automated campaign, or you can pick and choose specific AI tools, kind of like ordering a la carte to give your existing campaigns a boost. The all-in option is really for anyone who wants maximum efficiency. Basically, a business tells the AI, hey, here's my goal, here are my ads, now you go figure out the rest. And the AI does just that. It manages absolutely everything from start to finish. But what if you still want to have your hands on the steering wheel a bit? That's where the precision tools come into play. These are more like surgical instruments. They let a marketer automate just one specific piece of the puzzle, like who sees the ad or where the budget goes. There are three main precision tools. First, there's Advantage Plus Audience, which is kind of like an expert scout that goes out and finds new customers for you. Then you've got Advantage Plus Placements, which acts like a super smart media buyer, finding the cheapest and best spots to show your ads. And finally, there's Advantage Plus Campaign Budget, which is basically your AI finance manager, making sure every single dollar is spent in the smartest way possible.
Okay, let's make that budget tool super concrete. Imagine you have a $30 budget and 3 different ads. The old way, you might just split it evenly, right? $10 for each. And let's say that gets you a $3 cost per result. But with the AI optimizing, the system sees that ad set 1 is killing it, so it automatically shifts more money there, $18 in this case. And what's the result? Your cost drops down to just $2. It's the same budget, just spent way smarter.
But it's not just about crunching numbers. This is where it gets really cool. Advantage Plus is also becoming a creative partner. Its generative AI can take one single picture and boom, expand it to fit any screen size, create totally new backgrounds out of thin air, write different versions of ad text, or even turn a static photo into a cool little animation. This stuff saves so much time and helps make the ad look perfect for every single person who sees it.
Okay, so now let's zoom out for a second. The impact of this AI revolution goes way beyond just the ads we see in our feeds.
It's actually changing the very nature of how businesses and customers talk to each other.
And this shift toward conversation makes total sense when you look at how we all prefer to communicate. The vast majority of people would much rather just message a business than call them. And get this, over 2/3 of us actually find the responses we get from AI chatbots to be helpful. The demand for instant, smart communication is definitely already here.
And this isn't just some theory. Check out this real-world story from a camera store in India. Just by using a business AI on WhatsApp to answer customer questions and help them out, they saw a real, tangible 15% jump in sales. That right there is the power of turning a simple ad click into an intelligent conversation.
And while that really advanced conversational AI is still rolling out, any business can get started with this stuff today. There are simple automation tools right now, like instant greeting messages, away messages for when you're closed, and quick replies for common questions. These can make a huge difference for customer experience on platforms like Messenger and WhatsApp.
So here's the big picture. AI started out just by optimizing the ad that you see. Now it's moving on to manage the entire conversation that follows. And as these systems get smarter and smarter, that line between an ad, a salesperson, and a customer service agent is going to get really blurry until it's all just one intelligent interaction. So the real question we're left with is, what's that future actually going to feel like for us?